Good morning, students. Today we will start a fresh chapter of your GK, which is chapter 2. So I have uploaded your PDF on your portal. Okay, if in order to download the PDF, you first need to go to class 7. Okay, your net is quite slow. Okay, my net. GK. Then you need to select GK. Then there will come some. It's consuming too much time. Now here you need to choose general knowledge. Then it will show chapter 2. CHAP. Here, chapter. Where is chapter? Here, chapter 2 countries PDF link. Now download, right? Then now here you can download it easily from here. Okay, so your second topic is our world countries and their capitals. It's a very simple topic. You just need to recognize these simple countries. So first of all, let's talk about our country. Our country has total of 195 countries. Okay, 195 countries and seven continents. Okay, these are called continents. So seven continents, which comes Asia, the highest population. Okay, Asia. Then comes Africa, then Europe, then North America, then South America, then Antarctica. These are the seven continents of the world. Then Asia has the most population. Okay, most population with 50 countries. Asia alone have 50 countries. Okay, and India has about 1.36 billion population, and our world population is 7.9 billion. Can you imagine? There are 195 countries and India alone having 1.36 billion, something like that, 36 billion population. So it's very huge. So first of all, let's discuss about these pictures. These pictures given below. So these are the most popular pictures of some countries. Okay, so Myanmar has Swidagon pagoda. Pagoda means temple that have floors. Okay, different floors. So it is a temple, or it is a Buddha temple. Okay, it is very popular in Thailand. It's a Buddha sacred temple. Means they are sacred means what? It's religious. Okay, it's religious. They are Buddha temple and it is religious from the ancient. It is an ancient level and sacred temple, which is known as Swidagon Pagoda, which is in Myanmar. So we all know about floating boat. It's very popular in Thailand, right? We all know some of the tourists visit this these places floating market near Bangkok, which is on Thailand. So it is very popular. Okay, popu- Thailand is popularly known for this vegetable selling. Okay, this one particular, this one. So it is on Thailand. Then so Bangkok is the capital. Okay, now here Buddha temple or Avukana Buddha statue is on Sri Lanka. Okay, Avukana Buddha temple. This one was also a Buddha. Myanmar pagoda was also a Buddha temple, and this is also a Buddha. Okay, religious of Buddha. Then next come this one. Okay, it's on South America. This Easter Island, Chile, Santiago, which is the capital of Santiago. No, I mean Santiago. Okay, country Chile. Now let's go to the third. Okay, I think most of you know about this Rome. Rome was not built in a day. This one, this dialogue. It is known for this broken. Okay, this half made. It is very big. In ancient times, kings, King Tuts. Okay, I think you have already studied about it on your I mean English. Okay, some kings used to send his slavier to fight against them. Okay, so it is very popular. Colosseum in Rome. Okay, it is on Italy. Now Then the Basilica of Our Lady of Lichen, Poland. So it's quite similar like Victorian Memorial of Kolkata, right? It's quite similar, but this one is more huge and little bit nice. They use some kind of white marble. So some of the popular places, okay, which tourists used to visit mostly. Then this one is giraffe in Hulva. So what is the most common about this? Even India is having, but these giraffes are little bit different, and they have more quantity of giraffe in this particular Imphology Park in South Africa. They are popularly known for this giraffe. Okay, giraffe species. This is popularly known for their giraffe animals. Okay, it is on South Africa. Giraffe in Hulovi Imphology Park. Then comes Aurora. Nowadays, that Instagram filter is very popular, right? During the Krista time, there used to be some lighting. Okay, some lightings in the sky. These are called aurora borealis. It is a northern light used to in Sweden. Okay, Switzerland. Then puzzling world near Wanaka, New Zealand. Can you see this? Can you see this home? Can you this one? It's puzzling. Why do we call this puzzling? So this, can you see? It's like the roof is falling, right? But they are in built in that manner that it won't fall, and people don't use it just for a showcase. Okay, real people does not live in here. So let's start our topic. Let me see the time. Okay, it's already 7. So Germany. Berlin is the capital of Germany, Europe. Then you need to learn this, okay, on your exam time. Rome. Rome is the capital of Italy. Continent is Europe. Then okay, sorry, this one it starts from here. Tokyo. Asia have 50 countries, okay. Tokyo is the capital of Japan. Kuala Lumpur is the capital of Malaysia. Kuala Lumpur, okay. Naypyidaw is the capital of Myanmar. Naypyidaw. Then Kathmandu is for Nepal. Can you see these spaces? So this will come as your blanks. Okay, you need to learn. Asia. Then Islamabad is for Pakistan. Then Colombo. Okay, this one Colombo is for Sri Lanka. Continent is Asia. Bangkok, we have already learned, is popular for this floating boat, right? Then this is Thailand. Then Abu Dhabi, very popular place, right? UAE, country UAE. Santiago, which is Chile, South America. Okay, this one is different. India is not mentioned here, I think, because it's very popular. That's why. Then Mexico City, South America, and which is Mexico. Now here Europe. This one is another. Europe, Berlin, Germany, Rome, Italy, Warsaw, Poland, Madrid, Real Madrid. We all know that Spain. I think this one is familiar with football. Then Stockholm, Sweden, Europe. Okay, we are talking about Europe. London, United Kingdom. Then Washington DC, the United States of America. It is in North America. USA. Okay. Now Morocco, Rabat. It is Morocco, Africa. Okay. Then Pretoria, South Africa. Harare, Africa, and Zimbabwe. Okay, it's quite different. Wellington, it is Antarctica. Okay, this one is called as Antarctica. Oceania and New Zealand. Okay, this one is New Zealand. Wellington is New Zealand, and it is Antarctica. They also called as Oceania. Oceania. Okay, for this term there is nothing to have homework. You just need to read. You need to read it. This is by yourself. It's a very interesting fact about Mexico City. Okay, capital Mexico City is having country of Mexico. So you need to learn all of this. Okay, you need to learn all of the Japan. You need to learn all of the. It will come in your exam. Okay, so try to learn by heart about this. That's all for today.